Hi, welcome to Laura's Fundora. Today I'm going to show you how I made this gigantic spoon. So first I kind of drew out a spoon and I collected these cardboard tubing and a foam circle, and I created a pattern out of paper for the spoon head part, and then I glued that to the foam. And after that I started cutting out the foam to the size of the papered pattern, and the extra pieces I kept for the decorative parts of the sides of the spoon. So then I started cutting down the round part edge of the spoon. This is the back side, and then the inside I attached the leftover foam pieces that I had cut off to create the inner curve. Then I started cutting the inside of the spoon. Okay, so for the cardboard tubing, I flattened those down and started attaching each other with some hot glue. Okay, then attaching it, I took some extra paper and wrapped it around those seams and hot glued the cardboard together. Okay, for the top part of the spoon, I just folded a paper over the opening and hot glued that together, and then I attached the leftover foam pieces to make a curved round edge at the top. Then using this spackling paste, I filled in all the foam holes and let that dry overnight. Then I sanded out the rough spots and hot glued some more of the holes. Then I spray painted the spoon on both sides, this kind of matte black, and that is how I made this gigantic spoon. Please subscribe for more videos like this.